Alright, we've been waiting to do this for so long. We were just waiting for the perfect person and the perfect opportunity. For some reason, somebody sent us a box full of cough drops not that long ago. And we're just thinking to ourselves, you know, what do we do with a whole box of cough drops? Well, this is where we're going to take our buddy Gosnick and cough drop bomb him. He's in the studio right now with Bob. He has no idea I'm about to do this. This is a cough drop bomb. Here we go.
You don't want no party. Me and Lombardi rolling with Artie. Beat the Bengals out of shape, and when it's over, check the videotape. FedEx envelope coming to me. I'll send back cash with a gratuity. Hundreds of yards worth of penalty.
Cough drop bomb! Cough drop bomb! Cough drop bomb!
Oh my god! Oh, what a mess!
That did not just happen.
That was awesome, wasn't it?
Wow.
All right. Cough drop bomb!